Okay, boys. Today we're going to auction off a set of Enerpac RCS 302 30-ton low-profile single-acting hydraulic cylinders, and we're going to show you exactly what we got. This is the way we found them. They came on a skid. There's a couple of fingerprints on them. It looks like somebody's handled them. We don't show any sign of being hooked up. The plugs are still in them. There's carton damage. You can see that they've been knocked around a little bit. The bottom isn't scuffed, so that they haven't been out in the field. The top looks good. There's no scratches on them. The nipple that goes in and attaches the coupling on both of them is tweaked up about 1/8 of an inch, but we think that's on purpose so that these nuts don't hit the ground and that it's a little easier access for you to put on the hose. This one we're going to show you the same thing. We're auctioning off both of them as one lot here. So when you bid, you're going to get both of these. Again, the bottom is not scratched up. It doesn't look like it's ever been opened up or hooked up. This one's in real nice shape. A little bit of paint spooge and stuff on the top. No indication that this has been used to lift anything. A couple of more marks from banging around in the box is what we see. So this is what you're bidding on. They're Enerpac. You know the name. You've used them a million times, and we don't have a pump to hook them up so that we can't tell you whether they actuate and come back or not. But they're totally rebuildable. Rebuild kits are available all over the internet. You're bidding on two of them. They weigh about 35 pounds for the set. We'll ship them FedEx ground to your destination. It's a 5-day auction. You can use these things, and we're going to start them out at a fraction of their retail value. They're about $670 a piece, $1,300 for the set. We're going to start it out much cheaper, and let you guys determine where the selling price should be for these units. So you're bidding on a pair of Enerpac RCS 302 30-ton low-profile hydraulic cylinders. Bid now.